How to upload photos on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have an updated version of the application of Pinterest. So let's go and search for Pinterest. Here, as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Pinterest application. So we can simply tap on open, and as you tap on open, make sure you are logged into your account on Pinterest. Now if you want to upload any sort of pictures on Pinterest, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now as you tap on the plus icon, simply you can select on, and now let me just select a picture, or you can also click a random picture. So I'm going to click a picture over here. So let's go back and click on the camera icon. So after clicking on the camera icon, you can just give access to all the camera and gallery access over here. So let's go, you can use the camera over here and simply click a random picture. So let's do that again. Let's tap on photo, click a random picture, and as we're done clicking a picture, it will just start to operate over here now to process further. So let's wait, and as we're done, we can simply get on the next option. We can edit if you want to do it. You can add any sort of stickers, draw us anything. So now after you are done with editing, you can simply tap on the title, description, you can add link, pick a board, and so on. So I'm going to keep it as it is for now, and then tap on create, and that way you can upload photos on Pinterest. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.